it's Kimmy the Gadget Goddess, and today I want to show you how we're going to transform the Oppo Watch 3 Pro into a more custom experience, a more get away from these watch bands experience. So let's get into it. I got me a new watch band. I got me an adapter, so we can use any bands we want. Let's go. First I want to show you that these adapters are fairly cheap. I picked them up on AliExpress for a couple bucks. I don't think they were $5. They might have been $3 and some change. I think I might have upped my shipping so it didn't take 2 months and paid $4 or $5. But at the end of the day, it's less than 10 bucks for these adapters, so I can use any watch bands I want. That being said, I went on Amazon and got the watch of my choice. But this is just an example of being able to use whatever watch band you want. I will link to this in case some of my female friends are interested in this watch band. I picked this band up for other devices as well, in other styles. 22 millimeter, which will fit in here just fine. And these adapters are because this watch uses proprietary adapters. We don't like the proprietary. We're gonna do how we want to do it. So you just have to press the button in, and then the watch band comes out, and it works that way on both sides. So once you have the watch off, wipe your watch off first, and you can stick in these. And this makes it compatible with any watch band you want. We're all about making things ours, people. Let's get this watch band on. Make life a little easier for yourself. Get your watch band with smart springs on them. This band came with 3 of them in case I lose one, flip one across the room or something. Makes life easier though, I'll tell you that. So we just slide that in there, and we just slide it in here. And this is gonna be too big for me at first, I'll let you know that now. And we do the same thing for the other side. Okay, so there you have it with that. I will give you an update on this watch, not today, but this is just to give you an idea that you can make the watch different. Slightly too big. I think we'll take a link or 2 out and we'll be good. This band comes with a link remover. Thought I was going to be able to get away with just 2 links, but I took 3 out and it fits rather well now. Screen protector's been holding up well on this watch as well, and I think I'm about ready to do my review of this watch, but I need a couple, maybe a week, 2 more with it. I'm glad I'm able to customize it, give it a little more bling blow action here. Here is your watch in a regular band. Links will be in the description for both the watch band and for the adapter for this watch. I'd like to thank you for dropping by the channel and checking out my installation of the adapter and watch band for the Oppo Watch 3 Pro. If you have any questions, please leave them down in the comment. If you've enjoyed this video, please click the like button. If you've enjoyed multiple videos on this channel, you might want to hit the subscribe button. Subscriptions are free, memberships cost, and memberships have privileges. If you'd like to know what a membership on this channel might get you, click on the join button and see what each tier of my membership has to offer. If you feel like I've helped you in any way, shape, or form that was above and beyond, and you want to donate to my channel, hit the super thanks button. I'd like to thank you for your time, because time is money. I hope to catch you on my next video.